Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, nandito kami sa Seoul na and we're staying here at Hotel Naru. It's a hotel of M Gallery. So ito, nag-stay kami sa room 1211 which is a standard room with king size bed. Let's have a quick room tour now. Pasok tayo! So, upon entering guys, ito yung makikita nyo una. This is a closet. Yan. Pag binuksan nyo, dyan nyo ilalagay yung inyong mga jackets. Pwede kayong mag-hanger. Tapos, meron na ding available na bathrobe dyan. Meron din sila ditong planchahan. Tsaka plancha. And over here, meron din sila ditong available na umbrella. So, hindi kayo problema pagka umulan. And this is the shoe horn. Tsaka brush ng shoes. So, on this side naman guys is lagayan siya ng luggage pero nakalagay din dito yung ating room slippers. Tapos, ito yung listahan ng laundry service and the laundry bag. Dito din yung kanilang mirror para pagka nag-aayos kayo dito kayo mag-check ng inyong OOTD. Dito sa ilalim, they have another sleeper. I think pwede mo siyang gamitin if you'll be going sa pool area. And this is the bathroom area naman. So, dito sa side nito is the shower area. Makikita nyo meron siyang rain shower, tsaka yung handheld shower. Siyempre, hot and cold na water. Tapos, meron din silang available na mga toiletries. Nandiyan yung body wash, shampoo, at tsaka conditioner. And this is the toilet area, guys. Maganda kasi automatic din na toilet dito para sa Japan. Ayan yung toilet bowl natin. And available din dito yung tissue and may sanitary bag din sila if you need one. And this is the sink naman. So, single sink lang siya. Tapos meron siyang malaking mirror, vanity mirror. Available din dito yung inyong hand wash, saka body cream or yung body lotion. Tapos, ito pa iba niya, mga toiletries. Meron ng dental kit, vanity kit, shaping kit, at shower cap. Ayan. Under naman nung sink are the towels. Tapos, meron din sila doong weighing scale. And this one is the hair dryer. Dito naman sa side nito is the mini bar. If you open this, makikita ninyo yung Nespresso machine and the complimentary bottled water. This one naman, this is not complimentary. If you want to get one, mayroon siyang bayad. Dito naman sa side nito is the wine glass. Tapos this one naman are the mugs, glasses, tapos yung mga capsule ng coffee, and meron din sila mga tea dito. Ayan. Itong side na to, this is lagayan ng ice, tapos meron silang electric kettle, and this is the fridge sa kabila. So, complimentary lahat ng drinks na nasa baba, except sa mga beer. Ito yung bed namin dito sa room. This is a king size bed. Tapos, malambot naman siya. And dito sa bedside table, meron sila ditong tablet. This tablet, pwede nyo makita yung mga details ng hotel. And then if you want to order in-room dining, pwede din dyan. Tsaka kung may mga service request kayo. Dito naman yung mga saksakan. So, ganito yung saksakan nila. Pwede yung normal na saksakan natin sa Pilipinas. They also have USB ports. Tapos ito are mga controls sa room, mga lights, tsaka sa bintana. And they have here a coffee table. Tapos meron din maliit na sofa dito. Dito naman sa side na to, they have a working desk. Ayan, pwede kayo dito mag-laptop. Meron na ding upuan na kasama. May mga ports na din dyan, so you can charge your devices. And mayroong phone when you have to contact reception. Tapos, meron din siyang controls ng lights and windows. And meron sila dito malaking TV, which is smart TV. Meron siyang Netflix, tsaka iba pang streaming platform. So, pwede kayong manood. And this is the view of our room. If you can see, napakalaki ng window niya, ng glass window niya. Kasi ang mga rooms dito sa Hotel Naru is most of them are facing the Han River. Kaya lang, since standard room kami, hindi kami na-upgrade this time, our view is the city view lang. But you can see the Namsan Tower. Ayun o, that's Namsan Tower. Included na din ang free breakfast sa aming reservation. And this is the restaurant where you can have your breakfast. There are various choices like Western food, Asian food, and of course, Korean food. And our favorite part of this restaurant is the view. Look at that. You can have your breakfast overlooking the Han River. Whenever you arrive at the restaurant, the receptionist will ask you, what is your seat preference? Is it with the view or the middle seat? Of course, we always choose the seat with the view. Comes to amenities, Hotel Naru have everything you need. You can go to the 21st floor to enjoy these amenities. They have a fully equipped gym, so you can start your day by exercising before going out and explore South Korea. They have a heated indoor pool and a heated infinity pool overlooking the Han River. They also have a cafe at the 20th floor and at the first floor that serves coffee, pastries, and even alcoholic drinks. And if you have a car or if you rented a car in Seoul, there is a free parking for the hotel guests. And not just a free parking, this is a free valet parking. Hotel Naru is located in Mapo area. It is very convenient to travel because there is a subway and a bus station nearby, which is the Mapo station. If you love going to Hanggang Parks, Hotel Naru is also a best spot because it's just one bus stop away or one subway stop away from Yeouido Hanggang Park. You can even view this park from the hotel. Another thing that we really love while staying in Hotel Naru is their staffs. They are very friendly, welcoming, and very helpful. And all of them speaks English fluently. They will assist you from the moment you step in their hotel until the moment you check out. Overall, we had a great stay at Hotel Naru. And we highly recommend this hotel because of the great location, great amenities, customer service, and of course, a great room with a great view. If you also want to book this hotel, you can book through Agoda and get it on a discounted rate using our code KURTAGODA on your hotels and accommodations. And for activities naman, you can use KA Agoda to get 5% off. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media accounts. This is Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure. Goodbye!